Exactly in the same resort, I can tell you. So what we'll do here is, this ceremony, tonight we will make a rule, we'll make a note that tonight we are not going to keep quiet. So make some noise. I just want, just like before a movie starts, how the trailer shows up. So I want everyone to just scream, clap, whistle, whatever you do. On the count of three, as I tell, everyone has to make some noise that the noise should be. That noise should be the all Gulbargan should hear it. Okay? So, on the mark of 3, 1, 2, 3. Come on, guys. Yeah. I request our host admins, Mr. Teja and Mr. Akshay, to come on the stage and give the welcome note. Yeah. Mr. Akshay will give a welcome note.
Thank you everyone for being here, for riding such a long distance from your hometown. I welcome you all from my wholehearted thing, from not only from the RT Gulbarga, from the whole Gulbarga team. I welcome Kamal Bhai and Pune team, riding all the way from the Pune. I welcome JP Bhai, representing Bangalore. I welcome Praveen Bhai and the Hyderabad whole team for riding all the way long. And all-time energy of Hyderabad, like it's just charismatic. Thank you, Hyderabad. And a special thanks to the ladies, like who equally been a part of the riding team from the Hyderabad. I think we have a adolescent kid over here. Thank you, kid, for being here and being a part of us. So, well, I just hand over mic to Dr. Sai. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Akshay. So, I'd like to welcome RT JP Bhai and RT Praveen Bhai. Please.
वो जूम कॉल में वरुण भाई क्या था फोन यार सर आपको सर इसमें लिस्ट ले
जी हमारा कॉलोनी को रोड नहीं है ये बकरे को काटते थे पहले का थैंक यू तो वी रिक्वेस्ट अरे रेडी है ना डॉक्टर लेकर
Small token of love.
कल हमारी बॉडी कैंडिडेट
అన్నా మా పార్టీకే మీ ఓటు
थोड़ा ऊपर से लो पूरा हाँ सही है ये सही
ये बच्चा सही बोल रहा है या गलत बोल रहा है, ये करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. दिस वाज द सेकंड टाइम, बट आई मस्ट से आफ्टर दैट टुडे वी आर ऑन दिस एनिवर्सरी एंड ऑल थैंक्स टू तेजा. He made it happen and he made it happen. Amazing, amazing. And I'm really happy in Hyderabad you made it. You are all here. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. I say that because though biking and riding is important, even people are important. That's what we follow in road trips. We don't treat different with respect to the bike. We don't speak about religion, we don't speak about politics. When we come here, though we have our individual preferences, we all come together here as bikers. We share the common biking passion. And to tell few things how RT Gulbarga has started, there was a story where one rider from Pune has to give his bike to rider in, he's relocating to Hyderabad. And they were thinking, they are riders, they think of everything in riders' way. So they thought that we'll have a crossroads between Hyderabad and Pune, at a center point, Gulbarga. And so that the rider who has to relocate from Pune to Hyderabad will ride with Pune, from Gulbarga he'll ride with Hyderabad. And during that time, he has posted his message on social media somewhere. Our Teja Bhai saw it. And he said, bye, I'll also join the ride. And don't know how, I think they were riding and he came ahead of them, welcomed them, received them. And without knowing, just with the only thing that we are bikers together, with that kind of connection, he arranged this place. And this was under construction, something like that. And this is how this thing has started. I mean, why I'm saying this because we don't want all the things what we carry, but here when we come, we just come as bikers, enjoying the passion, and creating a good environment where we all can have together. And some more things about RT Gulbarga chapter. I was asking Patel Bhai, so how many clubs are there in Gulbarga? He said, so far, I mean, I think there are like few, but this is the only kind of club which is like kind of formal and organized. We have, I mean, having a club in Bangalore may not be that much great thing, but having a club and organizing so kind of a big event from a place like this, all kudos to Teja Bhai and Akshit Bhai. Absolutely. And everyone who are doing it. And definitely this club is a kind of a role model for all the growing chapters, what we have. Thank you for all your efforts. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing all those nostalgic memories.
Congratulations, Aarti.
Make some noise, guys. Thank you so much. Kindly sit on your respective seats. Ask your name again. So, the activity is in a way that four of you, one by one, there will be in a form of rounds. Okay, in the first round, like four of you will tell the parts of motorcycle. Like one, I'll help you out for the first round. Handle, seat, tire, tube. Okay, this is the first round. I'm helping them.
भाई उनको जो पता है वो बोल दिया आपने.
अब आगे क्या बोलना है? Exactly the point.
हाँ वाला जो उनको पता है वो बोल दिए.
You have to tell. So the first round has been done. So next round. So who will, and that too you have to 10 in 10 seconds. That's your responsibility, guys. Okay, in 10 seconds, she has to tell any spare part of the bike. The one who's keeping telling the spare parts, they're the winner. The last one is the winner. Okay, fine. Start. That is over. You cannot repeat.
Close.
You cannot repeat it.
You lost.
Silencer.
6.
Tire.
Tire is over. Tire is over.
Gear. Engine. Suspension. And clutch. Brake.
Gear. One, two,
Audience, you have to count it.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
अपना
Then go
time
and,
थोड़ा fast है.
Take a seat. Now 3 of us are here. The third round she has. Okay, now again.
Petrol tank. Rear mirror.
1,
Stand.
1, 2. Okay.
Jacket. Gloves. Safety gears.
Safety gears. Okay.
Back seat.
Front seat.
Front mirror.
Mirror is done. Mirror is done.
Okay.
Backlight.
Backlight. Headlight. Indicator.
1, 2. Light is over, right?
10, 9, 8, 7.
Please don't help her.
Fog light.
Extra fittings.
Lock.
1, 2. 1,
10,
1, 2,
8, 7,
6,
And
5,
already
4, 3, 2, 1.
Your time's up.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. It was great. It was great. Good, good, good.
A big round of applause for her.
Good, very good, very good.
Okay. Now,
Are very tough competition.
so now, again we are going to start it. You both are ready? Yeah. Even not ready, we are going to start it.
engine.
Engine is over. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Tire pipe. Tire pipe.
Very good, very good. Just or smoke.
Tire tube. Tube. Tire tube.
Yeah,
Tire, bike keys.
yeah. Good going.
Keys
1, 2.
Windshield.
Yeah, good, good.
Helmet visor.
1.
Pro camera.
Not part of bike.
Done.
Okay.
Hand gloves.
Like that.
1,
Elbow guard. Shoes.
very good.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Time up.
Time up.
A big round of applause for Ruchi.
Very good, very good.
And the winner
Very
is
good.
Nikita is the winner. And all the runner-ups, second, first runner-up, please come to the stage. Ready, sir?
Ravi sir.
Let's everyone make up. Ravi, sir.
Ravi sir.
Okay. Yeah. So, before we start, I want everyone to give a very big round of applause for all the four. They played very well. Yeah. So, we'll start with the second runner-up. Who was the second runner-up?
Ruchi. Second one Ruchi ka na.
Happy, sir? Yeah, thank you. Anyone want to take a pic?
Video.
Umesh sir, please come.
ఆ ఫొటోస్ కూడా ఎవరైనా తీసుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది అన్న వీడియో కదా ఇది
The other one, huh?
Photographers.
once more let me go forward
Yeah, thank you. And for the winner?
winner why you are getting confused रुचि
Chain cleaner, chain loop.
Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Good evening, everyone. It's really wonderful to be out here. First of all, I'd like to congratulate R.D. Gulbarga on behalf of each and everyone else for putting up one hell of a show so far. I think everybody is having a real good time, and I personally would have regretted if I had not made the last minute decision of coming down here. I had no plans of coming down, but at the end I thought, let's just do it because there is something about the anniversary meetup that brought us out, all of us here. I think it credit goes to you guys, first of all, Teja and all the R.D. Gulbarga team. And with regards to our ride, I think it was a fantastic one because coming to the lockdown and all, I think everybody is just coming out of their zones and getting the feel of the biking again. The Kida is starting to build up on each and everybody. Of course, for some of us it hasn't built up yet, but I'm pretty sure it is going to come some or the other time soon. I think this ride itself is going to be the beginning of a great 2021 year is what we would believe after looking at the ride that happened today. The coordination, the way marshalling has been done, leading, sweeping and all, we haven't forgotten any of our basics today. And I personally was viewing the ride instead of riding today. I was in the car and I was viewing, okay, this is what I've been missing and probably, this should start up for a great 2021. And I wish every chapter, Pune, Gulbarga, Bangalore, Hyderabad, everybody to have a wonderful 2021 year of riding. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. As riders, we can ride alone, we can explore anywhere, anyhow. But why do we ride as a team? Why do we ride as a family? Because that builds trust, that builds character. And this is what RT has been. I have been riding with RT for more than a year now. I had a big gap after my first ride, but in my first ride, the inclusiveness that you feel, you never feel like you're someone that is just coming here for the first time. Thank you Kamal, thank you Sayyam, thank you Umesh for such an and the experience has been phenomenal. Sayyam leads most of our rides right now, so we have one mantra, leave no one behind. And that is what we do. Thank you everyone, and RT Pune rocks!
Thank you, Bhai. I request Tej to represent R.D. Gulbarga and Hyderabad.
I think the event actually started conceptualizing in Hampi, but it was supposed to happen in December of Naiva. Then suddenly one day Kamala, I asked her, तो क्रॉसरोड्स करेंगे क्या गुलबर्गा में? I could not let this opportunity go. मैं बोले कैसे भी करेंगे, थोड़े unorganized थे, थोड़े new riders थे, but this is the one opportunity we have, and so we decided to go. मेरे को बीच में थोड़ा डर लग गया था कि लास्ट वीक से थोड़ा वो लॉक आउट हो गया, कोई नहीं आने वाला है, थोड़ा ऑलरेडी. But thanks to Kamal bhai, JP bhai, and Praveen bhai, they cheered the team and somehow they brought. And thanks to Akshay and all other riders who made this happen. Thank you.
Okay, from ladies and please, anyone. No. She do like who has participated in it, like how she felt like all the way from the ride. That would be much more.
Hey, new kiddo first.
Hi everyone. My name is Shivadina from Hyderabad. This is my first ride, as I said, and it's been like an amazing journey for me because this was my first. What do you say? Like it is a tick mark, the first thing in my bucket list, and it happened like it at a very young age. So I believe that I can be part of RT Hyderabad mood and go rides with them. And also this was not like very new to me because I have been to like a lot of treks and stuff. So it was. So I had like a bit of experience, but not in like biking and like riding with everyone. So yeah, altogether it was awesome.
Thank you, Shiva. So, it's not only with the RT Hyderabad. I take a liberty. You can join into like the RT. Thank you. I request. Please.
Gucci?
Ruchi Urf Gucci alias Mochi.
Senior most pillion. Senior most pillion.
And it's like 3 years I've been in this group and I wasn't pillion. It's an awesome experience to go and ride with them. And I have like
अभी आरसी मिला क्या स्कूटी का
now like it's a and I came across a long it's not my native place Hyderabad. I stay in Chhattisgarh. But I got a family like the riding thing. All are new but all vehicles are friendly. I love to go ride and I'm very comfortable alone. Female I ride with them, but very comfortable.
comfortably sleeping
Thank you.
Thank you. Now I request all the RT chapter heads, admins, to please come out to the dais for the trophy session. After that, like the photo session, please, riders at the last.
The most awaited event of today's night, the best chapter of the year, the trophy we are going to announce it now.
So this is regarding the best chapter. Every year we do this. Last year in 2019 we did this in Goa. And the decision process is never easy. It's always difficult. Many times we really look at those special things at every chapter. What is that special? Is it something good on social media? In CSR rights? In organizing events, safety? All these things are key to get to this trophy. And very closely monitor, we check, and we try to see which chapter is really making it happen. So today, as we start, Arthur Bhai, JP and I sat together, had a look at it, and we were going through these points. It is very important to see कौन सा chapter है तो एक अलग impression बना रहा है. Which one is taking it to the next level?
As Kamal bhai bola hai, the chapter we are taking the next level, and RT family responsibility be our growth in all aspects. It has to be considered, and we have discussed very deeply where I would appreciate that Hyderabad has done tremendously very good job in the time of pandemic, as well as few charters like Vizag has also supported and they have done their part. Mysore, Shimoga, Ghaziabad, Delhi, they are also there, but not so active like this thing. Our main who are into the criteria part. And as you know, Bangalore is more active and I would say proactive, and they take all the initiation for merchandise or route or any program like we have done South India, Hampi. Chapter. South India chapter, it was a great success. We did not expect. It was a general discussion between Tej, me and Arun to just meet up. But it has gone very huge, and it was a huge success. In future also we are planning very big one, so keep it tuned. And Bangalore is always supported and they give all the inputs. Kamal Bhai, Pune, all the people, all the chapters like the family, they support and they take initiation to give the inputs and how we go further and how we take up RT in next level. So after all discussions,
One more thing. Before we go, it is very important that each and every chapter, Gurgaon, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Shimoga, and Coimbatore, Mysore has done a fantastic job, and I can tell you, each and every chapter is doing amazing. Where I think you can really look up to the next year is being perfect on social media, because that is where we really want to be. That's the space where we want to influence others. And I can tell you, while deciding, the only area which has taken an upper edge to this award is only and only social media, because all other chapters are doing equally good. So no chapter is low or not working or things like that. It is only how well you're presenting yourself. And I think social media is a key in today's world. Digital media is playing very important role. With this, let's go ahead and announce to them.
best chapter of RT is Bangalore.
While none of them are here, I think JP and somebody from Bangalore? No.
Only JP.
So, yeah, so we'll hand it over to JP, but it is actually to the great work, the great contribution that they have done. Also, to one extra point that we could really look up to was the COVID support. The kind of, I think we call it COVID warrior. So they went extra mile, worked with the government, made it happen, so much so that they were not only helping the government, but they were also helping road trips by sharing information. I was sitting in Pune and I was getting all the updates on my phone, just because they were able to communicate through all that. So I think really kudos to them, the kind of good work they've done. I wish all the best to all of us here for the next year now, because this is something, as you know, these are the criteria. Let all of us work together and make this happen. Yeah? Thank you. And Debbie.
Thank you so much.
And I'm very honored to receive this award from Pune. Last year they were the best chapter of the year. So that they have set the benchmark very high and we need to live up to it. And definitely we'll try to be there. Thank you so much for this honor.
RT Bangalore, this is for you. RT Bangalore. इधर आ जाओ आप थोड़ा झुक के इधर 1 2 3 स्माइल थैंक यू
I would like to honor our Roadville founder JP Bhai for making this family for us. Anna, ra. It's our happiness that we want to honor that. मेरे भाई कमल भाई who always support from back end, he's a backbone actually. Then solo ride from RT Hyderabad. It is our admin has decided to honor him. It's Yuva Kishore. I will Hi friends. He has done a solo coastal South India, total South India, and he's made some remarkable benchmarks. I think he is the correct person to explain it.
Hi friends, this is Yuva.
Please subscribe to my channel.
So I've done this.
party, we will subscribe.
I've done a South Indian coastal ride, a total of 3,339 kilometers in 9 days. It was total solo, and this was after this COVID time. And Hyderabad was always backbone of me. Like whenever we get stuck or anywhere, we can have this support from them. And this is the only confidence which gave from to do this solo ride. Normally we'll not have this confidence to do the solo ride. Like if we get stuck somewhere or we'll have that small fear, like what we'll do, like if we stuck somewhere in the midnight. But I have this RT Hyderabad, I have some small incident. We have one of the member Darshan. Okay, he was traveling from Hyderabad to Gokarna, and he got stuck in between this Ghat road after this Hubli. And he was with his brother, and he was not knowing what to do. And Harthi Hyderabad was there, and it helped him what to do. And we had very immediate support to help him out to come out of that situation. So this was a confidence which gave me to do this solo ride. And I'm proud to be a RT Hyderabad. I always say that I am a road race member. So I'm proud of RT. Thank you.
కాదు పంపించినందుకు 9 రోజులు